As parts of the area remain under a tornado watch after a tornado, emergency responders have the challenging task of searching for people trapped by debris.
As investigator Melissa Yeager shows us, that's a challenging task when it's hard to see where homes once stood.
And the way this thing is made is it's locks in three places, here, top, and bottom.
Larry Hall just bought this storm shelter for his Belton home.
We've been kind of saving up for it, trying to get it.
When the installer finished, he presented Larry with this certificate with the GPS coordinates of the unit.
All you got to do, like it says right here, owners advised to share with the fire department or with Office of Emergency Management.
After a tornado, once clear streets are usually covered with debris. Street signs are usually missing, and sometimes it's hard for firefighters and emergency responders to even tell where homes once stood. But with that GPS information, they could use a handheld device to pinpoint exactly where to look.
Both FEMA and the National Storm Shelter Association are pushing for communities to compile databases with this information. Providing your GPS coordinates would be voluntary. Moore, Oklahoma and Oklahoma City just started taking that information. Larry's county, Cass County, doesn't yet, but tells us they are currently developing a method to collect that information. Larry thinks it's important that counties do have that data.
I figured, this part of the country, anything you can do at all, help.
I'm investigator Melissa Yeager, 41 Action News.
Weather over.